Hey friends, today I have a fence repair video here. So basically, the fence is broken here. It's really wobbly. So at the base, usually they rot here in the bottom. And so instead of pulling all that out, I'm just going to fix this real quick using a galvanized 8-foot pole. Simple fence post pounder, a lever, and some brackets here. So basically what I'm going to do is pound this pole in right about there next to the fence and add the brackets, make sure this all nice and straight. So first things first, this is an 8-foot pole. So before I put that up in the air, put my post driver on the end of it and lift it up. The neighbor's dog likes that. Okay, I do have hearing protection on too. What I have is a magnetized level, and we're going to make sure we get this pounded in nice and straight. And we'll be doing that. Alright, make sure I put the brackets on the pole too. So I have the brackets on the top and the bottom there. Make sure you get those on, because sometimes if you get that pounded in and you don't have your brackets, it's going to be difficult to get them on there. So a little tip there. Alright, so let's get this pounded up. So basically, I'm starting out, I put my level on the side, make sure it's level, and slowly pound that into the ground. Since the fence is leaning in that direction, I'm actually going to have it a little compensate that and lean the fence a little on my side, and when the fence pulls that way, it's going to level out the pole. So I'm going to pound that in here. Actually recording here, or what's going on here? Yes, okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so now that that's mostly level going in there, just kind of pound the rest of the way in. And it's an 8-foot pole, so it's going to be about 2.5 feet in the ground here. Okay, now that that's pounded in, I'm just going to screw in those brackets and call it good. So this is a lot easier than just taking out the entire fence post, as well as digging out all the concrete and stuff and trying to put in a new one where that one is. Especially since the guy that put in my fence last time used about 30 bags of concrete, so not quite that much, but it was a lot, and I didn't feel like digging all that out. So this is a pretty good fix. Seems to work great. The metal poles should last a lot longer than these wooden ones, and you just got to pound it in there. I don't even use concrete here, and it's getting some pretty good gusts so far, and it's been holding up well. Pretty much all the other ones that are broken I just replaced with this, so kind of see it there on the edge there. Okay, I'm just going to screw these in and we're going to call it good. Thanks for watching this video. Alrighty. Go ahead and screw in this top bracket here real quick. know, anything can go wrong will go wrong. That was fun. Now I need a battery. I'll be right back. Okay, new battery. All right, that was it. Not too bad, 15 minutes or so. So that's all tied in there nicely. Don't have to take apart the rest of your fence and just have this pole here. I usually go with, I think this is a 1 7/8 inch. Usually go with the 2 3/8 inch ones, but they were all out. So as you can see down there, I have the bigger ones. This one should still be good. That's it, my friends, right there. So thanks for watching. You don't have to pull out the fence post or anything. Just throw in one of these, and they don't have to worry about the concrete and all that. So far I've been doing this pretty much when these have been rotting, one right after the other. Every time we get a good windstorm, it breaks another chunk. So I put these ones in, and it's been holding good so far. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day out there, and good luck with the fence repair.